Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today I am not going to be doing a 3 a.m. challenge yet. I'm not going to be doing one for about another 2 videos, so who knows. But today is a taste test video, and here I have some Chinese chocolate. So let's open it up. But yeah, I don't know if any of you guys know how to read this, but if you do, can you put in the comments what this says? Because, yeah, like, there's only certain things that are in English, and that's the nutrition facts and milk candy. That's all that. Oh, and hard candy. Oh, this isn't Chinese. It's Japanese. Okay. Okay, well, still, if you guys know Japanese, then can you please put the translate this for me? Thank you. So yeah, let's try one. So they're individually wrapped. Huh. So here's what the individual wrappers look like. Oh whoa, huh. That's a that's a weird look. Huh. And here's what the candy looks like. If I didn't know any better, I would probably think this is like candied like wasabi or something like that. So, here goes nothing. Huh. It has an interesting taste because like at first I know it was milk chocolate, but I thought it tastes like this tastes like actual like milk. Like if you were to freeze chocolate milk and eat it, that's what this tastes like. Except not cold. But yeah, um, I wouldn't say it's bad, but I don't know. This is probably something I wouldn't eat like every day. Who am I kidding? Yes, I would. Um, but yeah, like this is pretty great. Oh, oh wow, the bag just reeks of chocolate. Oh, but yeah, like this is insane. Um, oh, oh my gosh. These are really good, guys. Um, I don't know where to get these, but like, yeah, these are pretty awesome though. Um, also, tomorrow I'll be um most of my 3 a.m. challenges will be recorded on my vlog channel. And I know, like, this is supposed to be on my vlog channel, but I'm so used to doing it on my uh, regular channel. It's like, yeah. So yeah. So I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I have some ideas, but the stuff I need for the games, like I need stuff that I don't have. Yeah. Wait. Oh, is this? Oh, it has to be a hardcover. Man. Yeah. So tune in on Wednesday. No, Tuesday for the if I don't record the 3 a.m. challenge, uh, Tuesday. It's probably because I don't have the stuff required for it. But um, now there's a lot of things I can do, like the one man hide and seek. You guys know what that is, cause um, but like yeah, there's a whole lot I can do, but like I don't know, cause like my house isn't haunted or anything, so like I don't even think any of these will work. But like won't hurt to try it, right? Um. So yeah. I will. Wait. What is this? Oh, that's what that is. Okay. So yeah. Um. In tomorrow's video, I'll probably give you guys an update on which 3 a.m. or what I'm gonna do for the 3 a.m. challenge, and and then I'll record it Tuesday. I'll start recording at like 12 a.m. on Tuesday. Record till 3. Keep playing and the play until like if it works and like stuff gets too creepy, I'm just gonna end it and then cut to Wednesday morning probably and do an outro. So I don't know. Who knows? Um yeah, so comment some weird like creepy games I should play for the 3 a.m. challenge. Like give me creepy games and I'll do it. Um and so yeah, oh, if you guys are new to the channel, please pause the video right now. Like, subscribe, comment, and give me ideas on what I should do in my 3 a.m. challenge video. Um, Also, um, please check out my vlog channel. I uh, go over there and subscribe, and you guys will get some pretty cool some videos over there shortly. And obviously, whoever subscribes to my Firehawk Vlogs channel will see my 3 a.m. challenge. So, anyway, guys, thank you for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.